ಎವ್ರಿವನ್, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬಯಾಲಜಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ. ಇವತ್ತೇನಂತಂದರೆ ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ KCET ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಬಯಾಲಜಿ ಪೇಪರನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ KCETದು. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಅ B1 ವರ್ಷನ್. So the first question is, a strict protection of biodiversity hotspot could reduce the ongoing mass extinction by the almost. So here ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, a strict protection of biodiversity hotspots could be reduce the ongoing mass extinction by the almost. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 20%, 25, 30, 35 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ದ C ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ದ ಇನ್ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ with respect to recently extinct animal and their place of extinction according to the IUCN red list. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಇನ್ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಡೂಡೋ ಮಾರಿಟಿಯಸ್, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೈಟ್. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಕ್ವಾಗಾ ಆಫ್ರಿಕಾ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್, ವೆರಾಸ್ Thylacine Australia. So whereas Stera sea cow, they are given the what? North America. So among the 4, which one is incorrect? Means that is the stellar sea cow. Next, third question ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ, according to the hypothesis proposed by environmental biologists, a relatively constant ಎನ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಹೈಪೋಥೆಸಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ, ಹೈಪೋಥೆಸಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಪೋಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಎನ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಬಯಾಲಜಿಸ್ಟ್, ಎ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಎನ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಎನ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ನಿಚ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ lesser specific diversity. No, whereas niche specialization and greater species diversity is the right answer. So remaining 2 are wrong. Fourth question, in the prevention of air pollution, the role of scrubber is to remove. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋವಂಥ ಪೋರ್ಷನಿಂದ ಇದೆ. ಎನ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರಿಂದ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ. ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಿವೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಏರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ದ ರೋಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರಬ್ಬರ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ರಿಮೂವ್. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಡೈಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಡೈಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರಬ್ಬರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಏನು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲೇಟ್ ಸಲ್ಫರ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್, ಗ್ಯಾಸಿಯಸ್ ಸಲ್ಫರ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಸಲ್ಫರ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್. ಸೊ ಅಮಾಂಗ್ 4, the scrubber is to remove is the gaseous sulfur dioxide. C option is right. ಇವಾಗ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ 1 ವಿತ್ ದ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಚೂಸ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ದ ಸೈಕಲ್ಸ್, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ಸ್ ಆದೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರಿಂದ ಏನು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋಂಥ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರಿಂದ ಏನು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ರಿಚ್ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸರ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಗಿವನ್, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಮೊನಾಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಗಿವನ್, ವೆರಾಸ್ CFC. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ರಿಚ್ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸರ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇದು ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸರ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯೂಟ್ರಾಫಿಕೇಷನ್. whereas carbon dioxide ಏನದು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್, ವೇರೆಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಮೊನಾಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಓಝೋನ್ ಡಿಪ್ಲೀಷನ್ಗೆ ಕಾರಣ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವೇರೆಸ್ CFC is what which develops the what air CFC. CFC is the again gas which will induce the what ozone depletion, whereas carbon dioxide, the carbon monoxide will be air pollution. So here among this the correct option is B. ಏನೇನು ಬರುತ್ತಂದರೆ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ರಿಚ್ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಯೂಟ್ರೋಫಿಕೇಶನ್, whereas carbon dioxide for greenhouse effect, whereas carbon monoxide induce the what air pollution, whereas CFC induce the what ozone depletion. So here the B is the right option. Next, ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ exhibits a haplodiploidic life cycle. So here this is also related to haplodiploidic life cycle concept is there. From that they have given, if you go through that, the correct one will be Ectocarpus is the answer. Identify the phylum which shows the following characteristics. So here we have to identify the phylum which show the following characters. So which phylum will relate to all these characters, we have to give the correct option. Animals are exclusively marine, radially symmetric and diploblastic. Body bears 8 external rows of ciliated comb plate which helps in the locomotion. Digestion is both extracellular as well as intracellular. Reproduction only by the sexual mode. So these all character belongs to the phylum such as Ctenophora. Got it? Next, when a flower has both stamen and carpel, it is described as sexual, unisexual, dioecious and bisexual. If both gamete, male as well as female. So here stamen and carpel, if they are having, they can be described as bisexual flower. Next, ciliated epithelial cells are present in the which part they are given, whether it is found in kidney or intestine or blood vessels or bronchioles. Especially these ciliated epithelial cells are found in bronchioles. What are the bronchioles means? In lungs, the bronchioles like the tubular structure is there which has having about ciliated epithelial cells. Next, the right answer is bronchioles. Here the 10th one, which of the following statement is correct with reference to the vacuole? So we have to select the correct one for the which concept is related to the vacuoles. It is membrane bound and contain storage of protein and lipid. No, it is not correct. It is a membrane bound organelle, right, and contains water and excrete substance. Yes, right, it is the correct statement. It lacks the membrane and contain air. No, it lacks the membrane, contain water, excrete substrate. No. So the reference to the vacuole, so the second option is right. Whereas exoskeleton of arthropod is made up of unique complex polysaccharide known as. So very easiest question. So arthropod, that is outermost, the exoskeleton of arthropods is made up of complex polysaccharide. That polysaccharide is known as chitin. So the answer is chitin. Next, the enzyme recombinase is required at which stage of meiosis 1? So if you see the name of the enzyme is recombinase is required at which stage of meiosis 1? So meiosis 1, again they are having prophase 1, again the prophase is having again 5 stages. Among that, which enzyme is required in meiosis 1 means that is Pachitin is the answer. Next, water potential of pure water is. They are asking the water potential of pure water is. The answer will be what? 0. Next, again here match the pigment which given in list A and their color of chromatogram given in list B. So here this side they are given pigment, whereas this side they are given the colors. Got it? So here that is here chlorophyll B. So chlorophyll B, that will give the what? Here if you see yellow, orange, red, yellow, blue, green or yellow, green. So here the right one will be the chlorophyll B is related to the yellow, green, whereas carotenoid will give the yellow, orange, whereas chlorophyll A will give rise to like a blue, green, whereas xanthophyll will give rise to that is yellow. So here the right one will be B. Next, which is the intermediate compound that link the end product of glycolysis with TCA cycle. So here we have to find out the end product of the glycolysis with TCA cycle, means here the answer will be acetyl CoA is the answer. Auxins is a apical dominance, whereas gibberellins, what it indicate? So here the gibberellins indicate the what? Bolting is the right answer. Next, the term uremia refers to, again from first year, got it? Accumulation of urea in blood. Yes, it is right. Direct answer. Uremia refers to the accumulation of urea content in the blood. So remaining all are wrong. Next, if you see here 18th question, a typical lub-dub sounds heard during the heartbeat are produced due to. We have to give the reason for why the heart sound is in the form of lub-dub. So the one is closure of semilunar wall, no. Whereas closure of bicuspid tricuspid wall, no. Again the most related answer is closure of bicuspid as well as tricuspid wall, yes, followed by the next wall is semilunar wall. So this closure process of the wall will shows the what? Formation of lub-dub sound in the way heartbeat. So the C option is right. The functional unit of contraction is. So here contraction of the muscle they have given. If you see the options, is related to the what? Muscle. So the functional unit of contraction is A. So here again the answer will be yes, the portion of myofibril between the two successive Z line. So here two successive Z line, here they are having the what? Myofibrils, means the muscles. So the right one is A. Now you go for the 20th question. Match the part of the brain given in list A with their function given in list 2. So this side they are given the brain parts, whereas this side they are given the what? Functions. So you go for here, first one is medulla oblongata. So medulla oblongata function is that motor functioning. Hypothalamus function is the that is a body temperature is maintaining, whereas cerebral cortex medulla medulla oblongata is for respiration. Medulla oblongata is for respiration, whereas hypothalamus body temperature is right, whereas cerebral cortex is for motor function, whereas limbic system for the olfactions. So here the right one will be D. Next, hydra reproduce asexually by producing. So here hydra reproduces asexually by which process? Means the hydra reproduce by asexual reproduction they are asking. So asexually reproduce the which structure means bud formation. So buds is the answer, easiest question. Next, when male and female gametes are morphologically distinct, the condition is known as. So here male gamete female gamete as well as male gamete, if morphologically they are distinct, difference means they are known as here heterogametes. So the B option is right. Next question is the role of filiform apparatus in a synergid is to. Again, this is from the chapter sexual reproduction in flowering plant. They are given the what they are asking regarding the function of filiform apparatus in synergids. They are asking. So here, protect the egg from apparatus. No. Endosperm formation, it is also not correct. Guide the entry of pollen tube is the right. That is the role of filiform apparatus in the synergid. So prevention of the gamete entry, it is not. So the here the C answer is the right one. Now 24th, transfer of the pollen grain from the anther to the stigma of another flower. This is the one kind of flower. From this to another flower of the same plant, but the plant is same, the flower is having different. Here transferring from anther to the stigma of the another flower of the same plant is called as, so it is again related to the what, geitonogamy is the answer. Next, match the following. They are given list 1 and list 2. So what they are given means polyembryony. So again all these are easiest questions, easiest the what, as the following. If you go through the what, polyembry means the seed containing more than one embryo, so that is found in the where, lemon. Next here, so polyembryony is the lemon, whereas perisperm, so perisperm example is the what they are given, black pepper karimenasu, whereas false fruit. So again directly you know that the false fruit is nothing but apple. Instead of the ovary they develop from the thalamus. Whereas parthenocarpic fruit, again direct you know that is example is banana. So here the right one is A. 25. The A option is right. Next, which of the following hormone is not secreted by the human placenta? So this one is related to the human reproduction. So here the progestogens, not, they are asking not secreted by the placenta. Got it? Progestogens, HCG, estrogen, LH. Among these four, the three are secreted by the placenta. Progesterone, HCG, estrogen, but LH is not secreted. So the answer D is the right, because it is a what? Gonadotropins hormone. What it released from the what? GN, that is from the hypothalamus. That is a anterior pituitary. From that it will release the LH hormone. Got it? Next, in In human female, the endometrium of uterus consists of, see here again very easiest question, smooth muscle, glandular layer, adipose layer, cartilaginous layer. So the human female endometrium of uterus consists of what type of layer? Means that is a glandular layer. So this is the right one. Whereas the next one, if two primary oocytes, how many are the primary oocyte? Two are the primary oocyte. Whereas two primary, two primary spermatocyte, two are the primary spermatocyte and two are the primary oocyte undergoing the which process? Means meiosis simultaneously. What will be the ratio of the spermatozoa and ova produced at the end of gametogenesis? So here they are asking during, if a meiosis means simultaneously occurring two of the what? Primary oocyte and two of the primary spermatocyte. If you go for first, they are given the primary spermatocyte. So each primary spermatocyte, each one will give rise to 4. If it is 2 means how many? 8 are the spermatocyte. If two primary spermato are there means one can produce a 4. If 2 means it will produce the what? 8 sperms. Got it? Whereas if two primary oocytes are there means a single primary oocyte will produce the what? A single ova. That means here 2 are there. So 8 is to 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are. 2 fours are. So the ratio is 4:1 is the answer. So the next question, again direct question from the reproductive health, that is Government of India legalized MTP with some strict regulation in the year. So MTP stands for medical termination of pregnancy. When it has Government of India has been legalized means that is in the year 1971. Direct question they are given. Next, the process in which a small part of the vas deferens is removed or tied up through the small incision is called as. So again it is also definition from the reproductive health. So MTP is not related. So vas deferens is related to the male reproductive system. So that defines as a what? Vasectomy. Tubectomy where in the female. Vasectomy is the right answer. So followed by that, test cross in a pea plant is. So they are asking the what? Definition. Got it? So among the four options, here the correct one, if you see what is the definition, the cross between F2. F2 is the what? Hybrid. So hybrid exhibiting which character means tall plant. The F1 hybrid, F2 hybrid cross with the recessive parent. If you go through the definition wise, so here the right option will be second one. Next, the 32 question, the genotype ratio of the incomplete dominance. So incomplete dominance, you know that use of the here snapdragon flower. So here if you go through that, the phenotype genotype both will be the what? Same ratio will become. So here 1:2:1 is related to the what? Genotype ratio of the incomplete dominance. So one is red, 2 indicating pink color and one is white. So the B option is right. Next, find the incorrect statement among the following. So here Next you go through the 30th question, that is regarding we have to find out the incorrect statement among the following. In a sex-linked recessive trait, the gene is transmitted from unaffected carrier female to the some of the male progeny. So here if you go through that, sex-linked recessive traits, the genes is transmitted from unaffected carrier female to some progeny. They have said this is the correct, got it, correct statement. They are asking about incorrect one. Next, accumulation of phenylpyruvic acid in brain results in the mental retardation. Yes, it is right. Individual affected by Down syndrome will have congenital heart defect or more intelligent. No, here the more intelligent will not come. They are what? Less, they'll show the what? Less intelligence. So this is the what? Incorrect statement. Turner syndrome is caused due to absence of X chromosome. Yes, it is correct. So among the four, the C is the incorrect statement. Next you go for the what? Next question. In a dihybrid cross between a true breeding round yellow seed and a true breeding RRYY, whereas true breeding wrinkled green, that is small RRYY. If it is round means it is wrinkle, if it is yellow means if it is green color. So the ratio of segregation of the round and wrinkled seed traits in F2 generation is that. So if you go through the what is the here dihybrid cross indicate 9:3:3:1. So how it will become means 3:1, 3:1. So 3:1 whole square if you do means 3 3s are 9 again. If you cross 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 1 3s are 3, 1 1s are 1. So here you will get the F2 will be 3:1 is the answer. Next, the following represents PQR denote few steps of Griffith experiment. Identify the correct ones. See, R stain indicate rough stain. If the rough stain is injected to the mice, here they are asking you have to tick it the correct one. So here if the R stain is what? R means rough stain. If we injected, mice will not die, mice will live because it is virulent. If S stain means smooth stain, which is what? Having polysaccharide, and it will cause the what? Pneumonia. If it is heat kill, if it is injected to the what? Mice will heat kill. If it is heat kill means mice will not die. Next, R stain. So these two are wrong. R stain means rough stain injected to the mice will live. So here it is correct. So among that all the option, so R only is the correct one. So here the B option is right, R only. Next, this R means option B. Next, in tRNA, the region that binds the mRNA is. So it is related to the molecular basis of inheritance. Which concept means that is the adapted tRNA molecule. If you see, this is the mRNA strand, whereas like this way is the tRNA, whereas it has a what? Anticodon. So which part of the in tRNA, the region that binds to the mRNA is the what? This is called as anticodon. So all of you see here which loop means that is anticodon loop of tRNA. This will binds to the mRNA. So the A option is right. Next, the mRNA has untranslated region. So mRNA is having untranslated region. UTR stands for untranslated region. So what that region indicate means, if you see this the word mRNA. So here if you see the mRNA, see mRNA from 3' to 5' it will be there. So here always at the both 3' end and 5' end beyond the terminator codon and before the what? Initiator codon. So before the what? Which one here? Initiator codon, whereas this side is terminator codon. So this sign, this region is called as UTR. So that's why they have asked what the mRNA has untranslated region from where to where it has been found means at the both end, that is 3' end as well as 5' end beyond the terminator codon, and whereas another one is before the initiator codon. Which is the initiator codon? AUG. So here C option is right. Next, followed by that, if you go through the next question, that is 38. Here in the 38, the structural gene, they are given the what? Template strand. This is the what? Template strand they are given. Template strand has nucleotide sequence. This is the template strand nucleotide sequence, that is from 3' to 5'. Find the correct and complementary nucleotide sequences on the coding strand. If it is having 3' to 5' means the opposite strand should be what? If it is 3' to 5' is a what? Template strand means it will run in a where? Opposite direction. That is from 5' to 3' direction. So it is a what? Template, and this is the what? Coding strands. So here the only changes is the what? They are complementary base pair, such as here A is there means A pairs to the what? T. If T A, G C, C G, A T, T A, G C, C G, A T, T A. So like this way. So if you go through here, we'll get the correct option will be C. Is the right one. Reading the following statement. Statement 1 given: all vertebrates develop a row of vestigial gill slits during the embryonic stage, whereas statement 2, embryos always pass through the adult stage of the other animal. So which of the following correct with the reference to the statement? If you go for that, here we'll get statement 1 is the what? Right, whereas statement 2 is the what? Wrong. So the option A is right. Next, again it is based upon the Stanley-Miller simulated the condition of prebiotic earth using spark discharge apparatus. Which organic compound were observed by him on analysis of the end product of his experiment? So Miller experiment, that in that they are asking regarding, in that total analysis they got the end product of his experiment. What is that end product they are asking? Pigment is also not, fat is also not, nitrogen is also not. So the correct one is the what? They have got the end product is amino acids. Is the right one, amino acid. Next, most ape-like ancestral primates was. So among that, if you see Dipteron, Dryopithecus is the what? A correct option. Whereas next, the principle of vaccination is based on which property of immune system? So principle of vaccination is based upon the which principle means that is based upon the memory cells. Memory. Then genome of HIV replicates in bacteriophores with the help of enzyme is called. So HIV is a retrovirus replicates in a macrophage with the help of enzyme. Which enzyme is required means RTase. RTase is nothing but reverse transcriptase enzyme is required. Next, again they are given statement question. Statement 1, morphine is obtained from acetylation of heroin, whereas it is not correct statement. Cannabinoids are known for their effect on the effect on the cardiovascular system. So here if you go through that, the second statement is, see here, the first what they are telling me, statement 1, morphine is obtained from acetylation of heroines. That is what here? Incorrect. Whereas statement 2 is correct. That is the correct. So you go through all that, you will get what? C is the right one. Statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is incorrect. Next, mule is result of. Again this is the out of syllabus question. So mule, it is related to those strategies of strategy chapter question. So mule is obtained from. So what type of cross means, whether it is a cross or crossbreed or interspecific hybridization or outbreeding. Among the four, the interspecific hybridization is a result of the what? Mule formation. So C is the right one. Next, identify the bacterial disease among the following. So brown rust of wheat, tobacco is viral, whereas black rot. So always bacterial disease give rise to what? Black rot of crucifers. Late blight of potato is also related to the what? Potato plant. Next here, among the four, which is the bacterial disease means here the right one is the black rot of crucifer. Next, match the following. Vitamin A, they are given the all the type of vitamins, whereas here they are given the plant or the crop. So here vitamin A, where we are getting means here vitamin A, see here, in which type? Vitamin A is related to carrot. Carrot nalli yavudu irutte? Vitamin A irutte. So SCP stands for single cell protein. So this is related to, example ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಪಿರುಲಿನಾ ಸ್ಪೀಸೀಸ್ they are using, whereas vitamin C especially this is found in the where? Bitter gourd, whereas protein is found in the beans. So here if you go through correct matching, you will get what? B is the right option. Next, the chemical substance which produced by some microbes which can kill the or retard the growth of other microbes, it is a definition they are given. That is a definition of antibiotic. Got it? Next, select the correct statement from the following. If you go through that, Methylobacterium is an aerobic bacteria given. See here, it is not aerobic, it is what? Anaerobic. So it is wrong. Biogas produced by activity of aerobic bacteria. No, it is produced by anaerobic bacteria. Biogas is a pure methane. No, it is a mixture of gases. Whereas D, if you go through activated surge in sedimentation tanks is rich source of aerobic bacteria. Yes, it is a right statement or correct. Next, which of the enzyme is required to cleave the plasmid? If you go through the plasmid structure, with the help of which enzyme the plasmid can be cleaved means, if you see, ligase is used for joining of the two DNA fragment. Endonuclease means within the DNA molecule it will cleave. Exo means at the end. Polymerase for It is a synthesis or polymorphism of the DNA chain, synthesis of the DNA chain. Polymerase enzyme help in the way elongation of the DNA strand. But here they are asking enzyme is required to cleave, means cut the plasmid, means that is endonuclease. Within the what? DNA molecules, the endonuclease is the right option, B. Next, DNA polymerase of Thermus aquaticus is, again DNA polymerase enzyme is isolated from which bacterium is Thermus aquaticus. So it is a what type of the so DNA polymerase or Taq polymerase also we can call. So among that, here the related to that concept is the what? Thermolabile or thermophobic exonuclease or thermostable. So DNA polymerase of Thermus aquaticus is what? Thermostable enzyme. So the thermostable is the right. Next, if a recombinant DNA bring gene for resistance to ampicillin is transferred into E. coli cell, the host cell become transformed into ampicillin resistant cell. What happens when E. coli are grown on medium containing ampicillin? So here if you go through all the option, you will get the correct one is B. Non-transformant will die, whereas transformant will grow on a media. Next, so here the right option will be B. Which of the following is based upon the principle of antigen antibody interaction is that? So here among the 4 tests there, the PCR test given, RDNA technology, ELISA and gel electrophoresis. So ಇವು ಎಲ್ಲರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಂಟಿಜನ್ ಆಂಟಿಬಾಡಿ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಲಿಸಾ. ಎಲಿಸಾ is stands for enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. This will determine the antigen antibody interaction. Next, which among the following is used to treat emphysema? Emphysema disease treat ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ಅಲ್ಫಾ ಆ್ಯಂಟಿಟ್ರಿಪ್ಸಿನ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಅಲ್ಫಾ ಇಂಟರ್ಫೆರಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವೆರಾಸ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ ಅಲ್ಫಾ ಆ್ಯಂಟಿಟ್ರಿಪ್ಸಿನ್ ಆರ್ ದ ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ antitrypsin is the right one. So here the right one is human protein alpha antitrypsin is right. Human alpha lactobacillus is not. So C option is right. Next, homeostasis is condition where the organism is. So for this the right answer is A1. Maintain the constant interaction environment in an ever changing external environment is the right one. Next, 56. Which of the following is not parasitic adaptation? So if you see loss of accessory sense organ, along with that not ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Absence of adhesive organ or sucker. So if you go through that, this is the correct option. Remaining all are the what? Parasitic adaptation. Absence of adhesive organ or sucker is the right. So this is the right option. 56 B is the right answer. Next, that is 57th question. Type of adaptation given in list A and their example given in list 2. Select the option showing the correct combination. Types of adaptation. So this is also deleted portion. Got it? Biochemical adaptation, behavioral, physiological, whereas morphological. So they are given the what? Examples. So if you go through the what old textbook, you will get the correct answer is 57th one is the C is the right one. C. Match it. Then the annual net primary productivity of the biosphere is approximately, again it is a direct question. So the here answer is 170 billion tons. Got it? 170 billion tons is the right option, A. 170 billion tons. Whereas natural reservoir of the phosphorus is. So again it is also deleted portion. So here phosphorus cycle is there. Got it? So if you go through the old textbook, we will got a correct answer is the what? Rock. What is the natural reservoir of the phosphorus content? That is found in the where? Rocks. Whereas 60th last question, the sequence of communities of primary succession in water. Again this is what, again question from the deleted portion. They are asking the what? Primary succession in the water. In the water pond, what is the primary succession means? Changes has been developed. So if you go through that, you will get phytoplankton. After that, the rooted hydrophytes will form. Then followed by free floating hydrophytes and reed swamps, then meadows, then scrubs and the trees. So here the D option is right. If you liked my video, give likes and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone for listening my class. Thank you one and all.